I recently purchased the ND Filter 3-pack from DJI, hoping to achieve better drone videos, as well as reduce light on most of my daytime shots. I am hoping to get some feedback from others who have used these filters on which filter is best in which situation. I am currently shooting at 4K with 30 frames per second on the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Hello, photography enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive into the world of ND filters for the DJI Mini 4 Pro. These essential accessories can help you capture stunning images and videos, even in bright daylight. ND filters are small pieces of equipment that attach to the lens of your DJI Mini 4 Pro. And they work by reducing the amount of light that enters the camera. This allows you to take photos and videos with slower shutter speeds and wider apertures, creating dreamy effects and allowing you to capture more detail in your shots. There are several types of ND filters available, such as neutral density ND filters, polarizing filters plays, variable ND filters, and graduated NDG ND filters. Each type serves a specific purpose depending on your shooting conditions. For example, ND and place filters help reduce glare or haze on water or glass surfaces. Variable ND filters help control exposure in bright light. Lit areas and GND filters balance light between the sky and land when shooting into the sun or other sources of intense light. When choosing an ND filter for your DJI Mini 4 Pro, consider factors like lens size compatibility, durability, filter quality, and price point. You can usually find a wide range of options from various manufacturers at different price points. Remember to always clean your lenses before and after using an ND filter to ensure clarity and avoid scratches that could cause damage to your images or videos. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful or informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more photography tips and tricks. Until next time, happy shooting!
I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna